In Belize, we have a lot of early risers. Some will come out just to take a nice niche stroll by the seafront. Some will come out to go run. We have a rural community of runners. Some will get up from 4:30 a.m. to go run. And you might wonder, why get up so early for go run? Well, apart from some of the obvious reasons and benefit, that will create one stronger discipline. You prepare for the day's work ahead, and it just gives you a good feeling that when the whole world is asleep, you already up the grind. That just gives you a good sense of self-accomplishment. One thing, a lot of people throw it away. So much people just walk past it. Only a few people stop to collect it. And amongst a few people, I collect it,
Mister, is it the law?
I bottle it, and I save it until the time comes for me to change it.
Mister, is it the law?
Yes.